If you don't know this secret about soil, no fertilizer, no light, no water, it can't save your plant. In this video, you'll learn something that could decide whether your plant lives or dies. The main reason for salty soil is over-fertilizing. Tap water and poor quality soil also make it worse. White powder on the soil surface or at the edge of the pot is a clear warning sign. You may also see burned leaf tips, yellow leaves, or very slow growth. Help your plant with this method. First, water the soil deeply. Let the extra water drain out. Repeat a few times. Wait a little between each round. This flushes out the salts. Check the drainage holes. They must stay open. For now, water only with filtered or boiled and cooled water. See, because of the heavy soil, water is hardly absorbed. Let's go and improve the soil and save the plant. Compost, cocopit, lycopene, perlite, sand, vermicompost, rice bran. From the combination of these materials, we will definitely have great soil. Have you ever encountered such a problem? What did you do? Write to me in the comments so that other friends can learn too. In my opinion, this is the job. It is very enjoyable. It's like you're giving your plant a new lease of life. When you see weak and tired leaves, they become green again and full of energy. Put a net at the bottom of the pot. So that the lycopene does not block the water outlet. You slowly remove the plant. Remove at least 30 to 40% of the soil so that the plant does not go into shock. Fix the plant in the new pot. After completing the steps, the first watering, do it with humic acid solution. Helps improve soil. And it is the best supplement for the plant. I have prepared a video on how to make it. I will share it with you soon. Wait for it. If you learned something new from this video, Share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your plants will thank you, and they'll stay healthy and happy because of you.